Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a custom shape in Photoshop. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly reuse your unique designs anytime, in any project. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or just want your favorite shape easily accessible, this little trick can save you a ton of time. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open up Photoshop. You can use any version you have on your computer, though the interface might look a little different depending on updates. Once you're in, go ahead and create a shape. For this demo, let's make an octagon. But really, any shape will work. Maybe a custom star, a wavy underline, or even your logo. Think of this initial shape as the template you'll be able to call up later with a single click. Once your shape is on the canvas and selected, here's where the magic happens. Head up to the top menu and click on Edit. This menu is like your control center for all sorts of tweaks, and today we're using it to save your creation. Choose Define Custom Shape. Make sure your shape is still selected. If it isn't, Photoshop won't understand what you're trying to save. If you've ever felt stuck at this step, double-check to make sure you have the right layer selected, or that your shape isn't locked. A window will pop up, asking you to name your new custom shape. Give it a name that's easy to remember, like Octagon V1 or Logo Shape. Taking a few seconds to name it clearly will help you stay organized, especially if you end up building a whole library of custom shapes over time. Press OK, and just like that, Photoshop adds it to your shape library. Now, let's use your newly saved shape. Look for the Custom Shape tool. It usually lives nested under the Rectangle tool in your toolbar, so if you don't see it right away, click and hold on that rectangle icon and a drop-down should appear. Select the Custom Shape tool, and then right-click anywhere on your workspace. This opens up the Shape Selection menu. Scroll down and you'll see your freshly named octagon, right there at the bottom or near the end of the shape list. Sometimes new shapes take a moment to appear, but don't worry, just give it a second or check that you saved it under the right name. Once you select your new custom shape, click and drag on your canvas to draw it out. You can resize, reposition, or even fill it with color, just like you would with any other built-in shape. The coolest part, you can now insert your original shape as many times as you like into any project without ever redrawing it or hunting for the old file. It's a bit like giving yourself a shortcut. Imagine preparing your favorite stencil once and having it ready to go for every creative project you tackle. And there you have it. That's how you save and use a custom shape in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions about saving or organizing your shapes, just drop a comment below. I read every one, and I'm happy to help. And if you want more step-by-step Photoshop guides, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for new tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!